guys, this is Mark Roemke with Ninja Training TV. I have visitors still, and so we're going to show another really cool version of the Demon Crusher, Oni Kudaki. So it's fun teaching people who don't know this. We were kind of getting warmed up and showing this drill, and these some people here have only done this right now. So you guys get to kind of see us walking through it and how we're going to do it. So when I'm teaching Oni Kudaki to a student, I'll have one person will grab the shirt. I'll bring my hand up on the inside. One of these is just, right now we're trying to learn how to make this lever happen, but later on my hands are up because he might throw another punch here and I got to be ready for something. Now I'm going to step offline to break his power. He has a lot of power in this position, but if I step over to here, I've now started to break his power of his arm, and I hook at the elbow level, and I try to get my hands together as I pull this in, and then I turn to his side. From here, all I have to do is lever down and sink if I wanted to, and take him down with this. It's very easy to make that happen. So on this side, he grabs, I hook, come offline, grab, sink and twist, and now I've got my lever, and I just lever down, and I'm in. So we'll do an experiment and then see how this goes. And it's fun because it's like we're in a classroom situation, so you'll see me making corrections on people because there's a lot to learn with new art, and it's scary sometimes to be up in front of even people, right? So it's good that people just give it a wing and try it, and if you mess up, so what? We're in a dojo. That's where we're supposed to do experimentation and get our bumps and bruises and all that stuff. Okay, who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
Okay, perfect. So nice. That was very good. Very good. Haha, he went on the other side, tried to mess with you. Okay, I'll give you one pointer. So do the first part of the move. Now, you're keeping your shoulders squared off here, so as soon as you sink, try and turn your right foot in towards me more and have your chest kind of squared off me on the side. See how that just changed the lever now? If you're this way, go ahead and push my arm. I don't think so. Turn with your body. Now go down. And there you go. And that's how you produce the power, because you changed the lever. So take your time. You don't have to go fast, but go take me out, grab it, and now turn it. Now do the lever. Yes, and there you go. Bingo. That was it. Okay, next human. Woohoo! Same thing. So as teachers, this is what you guys should be looking for to help that person. So could you tell her at the end to turn her shoulders at a 90 degree? So we have an interpreter because Anontia speaks Portuguese mostly. And so see how she's keeping her chest flat and walking through? So make sure you, to tell her after that first move to turn shoulders in 90 degrees to the other person. So have her go through it slowly.
Ok, agora essa perna vem pra cá. E agora tu vira de frente pra cá.
There you go. Yes. Okay, so let's do one more round with her so she can do that slowly and do the turn.
Mais uma vez, todo mundo. Devagarinho.
Yes. Very good. So one, turn. Oh, yeah, that's what we're talking about. Awesome. Okay, very good. Nice. Awesome. Good job. Good job. Okay, so this is the Demon Crusher, Oni Kudaki. When you get that lock in, there are a million ways to do this one. There's a million ways to teach it. You could take it out, you can go in, you could do it against a club attack, you could do it off of a hook punch, a regular punch. But we want the basics down, and that's to get that lever. Once I can figure out angling, distancing, and timing. You can see the size of these two. They're half our weight, half the size, and they're able to throw us with the proper leverage technique. So this is what makes ninjutsu really fun and other martial arts really fun, is learning how to amplify your strength level through full body movement and proper use of angling, distancing, and timing. So I hope you guys love this. This is what our courses are chock full of, are good explanations like this of how to do the basics of martial arts. And then that's how you get good with all of the advanced stuff, because advanced stuff is really just basics with people who have honed that skill and know those angles, distancing, and timing. Please give a likes up, subscribe, and as always, keep training.